Here I have laid out all the parts that comes with the 48-inch prize wheel. The next step I'm going to do is to show you how to install the prize wheel. The first thing we're going to do is to install the base. And we're going to install the wheels of the base first. You come with 4 wheels. 2 of the wheels will have a lock. So just make sure that the 2 wheels are on the same side. So just got to make sure to flip it. There's 4 holes to attach the wheels to. Now that we have the 4 wheels connected, the next step we're going to do is to connect the base pole to the base stand. As you can see, there's 4 holes here. The pole here, there's four holes underneath. Just make sure that there's another screw part here that sticks out. Make sure this goes to the back side, which is the shorter part of the base. You got the long part and the short part. The long part is the front. This is the back. So we want to set it up like this. Now I just need to line it up. Screw with the washer. Now that we've connected all 4 of these screws, it's all tight. Now with this bottom pole here, it comes with the adapter. This adapter here, this piece, you don't need it for the prize wheel, so just remove this. The reason why they have this adapter here is actually there's 2 pieces in here. You take this out too. Okay, there's different sizes so that you can use the base for different purposes. You can put umbrellas, light poles, or flag poles, and for different sizes you just need different adapters to fit the poles in there. Now that we installed the bottom base pole, there's 2 other poles that we need to install. There's going to be 1 shorter one and 1 longer one. The shorter one we have the tapered. There's the one side that is tapered. The tapered side should go up, so we're going to install the shorter one first. Put that in. And we're going to also put the next one in. And it just slides in. And to lock it in place, there's a screw that comes in. And there's a hole, screw hole here. And just tighten it. Now, one more thing that I want to also let you know is there's a hole in the pole here. This hole, we want it to face backward. So there's those 2 sides. This is where we could connect the center part of the prize wheel. Okay, we'll connect the poles in here, so it's going to be here. But don't worry, we're going to adjust this later too. Now that we have the base and the poles set up, these are the 3 parts that are left. We got the top. This is the optional accessory holder, which you could purchase separately for the business card holder or the brochure holders. And this is optional. You don't have to install this, but I'm going to install it later to show you how it's set up and how it looks aesthetically without the business card holder or the brochure holders. This one here is the eraser and the marker holder. Now with this piece, first you need to loosen up a little bit. Make sure this is the top part. And the next step I'm going to do is going to install the eraser marker holder. So first thing we do is install this part. Now we're gonna install the screw to the prize wheel. This screw here is the longest screw that comes with all the accessories. Once the screw is inserted, we have 4 pieces here. Okay, you got the 3 washers. Just make sure that the plain washer, the rib washer, and then another plain, put it through. Then we're gonna put this plastic piece here, put it through. And then we're gonna hang this up into the pole with the hole. Now, you could do it by yourself, but I really suggest that you have another person to help you due to the size and the weight of this particular prize wheel. Now that I'm gonna put the board up, just keep in mind just to gently hold the screw so they won't fall off, and in the backhand, hold all the washers here so that it don't come apart too. So Roy, if you don't mind, come over and you can help me move this. Next, we'll put the washer and the screw. And just tighten it. And on the other side, we have the Allen wrench where we're going to tighten it more on the other side. Now we're going to install the top part. Now just install it to the point where it almost touches the board, and just tighten it. Now I'm going to install the wheel tooth or the pins. Now, the reason why they made this with a screw in tightly is because you want to be very secure and strong. A lot of people, when they spin the prize wheel, they don't hold the board to spin. They like to hold on to the tooth and spin. So therefore, we need to screw and tighten in to firmly hold it together. Now that I've connected all the wheel tooth together, the last piece I'm going to put on is the magnetic centerpiece. After this, we're done.